warm weather is near, so you're gonna need to wear your sunglasses again. And here are some cables to put on your sunglasses. The way these attach, so these are all silicone. You put hand sanitizer, which we know people have right now. You stick it down in the tube right there, and then you slide them right on your sunglasses just like that. These have the little cable floats on them too, but we have them in white and in blue, red, and this really cool swirl. And they're only $8.99.